Kitty's a cat. Today, we will learn the vowels together. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the letter A. A is for apple. A tasty apple. This is the letter E. E is for egg. Look, a little egg. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. So cool. This is the letter O. O is for orange. A big round orange. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Open the umbrella with me. Now, let's say them all together. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Great job. Friends, you learned vowels with me. Kitty's a cat. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Thanks for watching.